Hi everyone, hope you are very well. So today topic is what is credit card. A credit card is a tin rectangle piece of plastic or metal issued by a bank or financial service company that allow card holder to browser fund with which to pay for good and service with merchant that accept card for payment. Credit card improve the condition that cardholder pay back the browser money plus any applicable interest as well as any additional agree open charge either in full by the billing date or over time. An example of credit card is the case spare reverse. You can read our case spare reverse credit card review to get a good sense of all the various attributes of a credit card. In addition to the standard credit line, the credit card issuer may also get a separate cash line of credit to cardholder, enabling them to browse money in form of cash advance that can be accessed through bank teller. ATM or credit card convenience checks such cash advance typically have different terms such as no grace period and higher interest rate compared to those transactions that access the main credit line. Ensure customarily peer set browsing limit based on an individual credit rating as best of business. Let the customer make purchase with credit card, which remain one of the today most popular payment methodology for buying consumer good and service. These type of credit card who show on your screen and this part of the credit card. Number one, chip extension date, cardholder name, magnetic strip, signature, hologram, and CVC code. Understanding credit card. Credit card typically charge a higher annual percentage rate. Various other form of consumer loan interest charge on any paid balance charge to the form of consumer loan. Interest change on any paid balance charge to the card are typically imposed approximately 1 month after a purchase is made except in case where there is 0% APR introductory offer in a place for an internal period of time after account opening unless period unpaid balance had been credited forward from and previous month, in which case there is no grace period granted for new charge. By law, credit card insurer must offer an grace period of at least 1 days before interest on purchase can be to insure. That's why paying off balance is important to understand whether you insure across interest daily or monthly as paid. This is especially important to know if you are looking to transfer your credit card balance to a card with a low interest rate. Mistakenly switching from a month accrual card to daily one may newly the saving from a low rate. The most important of this paragraph, individual with poor credit history often seek square credit card which require cash deposit that afford them line of credit. Type of credit. Most major credit which include Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express are issued by a bank, credit union or other financial institute. Many credit cards attach customer by offering inactive such as airline miles, hotel room rental, gift certificates to major retailer and cash back on purchase. These type of credit card are generally referred to as record credit card. To generate customer locally, many national retailer issue branded version of credit card with the store name imposed on the face of credit card. Although it's especially easier for customer to qualify for a store credit card than for a major credit card. Store card may only be used to make purchase from the jumping retailer, which may offer cardholder perks such as special discount, promotional notice, or special sale. Some larger retailers also offer co-branded major Visa or MasterCard credit card that can be used anywhere, not just in retailer store. Thank you.